Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing good. In this morning, we are going to learn formal letter. So, as we learned informal letter last time, you might have learned formal letter already in your classes, maybe in your fifth standard, which is leave letter. So today we are going to learn a little differently that a formal letter, how to invite a chief guest for your school program. If you are a leader in the school, for example, if you are in the sport team, you are the captain of sport team, or the your people leader in the school, you have to write the formal letter to invite the guest. So for that we are going to learn a formal letter today. So remember, the language of the letter should be in business like writing. So it's not like informal letter. You cannot say dear, or it's not should it should not be the like a friendly conversation. It should be the respect, like a business writing. It is very important to follow format in formal letter, as generally these are official letters. Yeah, these mostly formal letters are official letters, so we have to remember the format. Without the format we cannot write formal letter which is official. So you have to remember, it's not just for the school we are going to invite the guest or anything. Maybe in your future, if you are going to be a working in a big companies, or in your future, it is very very important to know the format and formal writing. So here are the format of the formal letter. So first of all, remember sender's address. You have to remember the sender's address. For example, if you are writing from Goodsam school, you have to write Goodsam school address. Then you have to write the receiver address. If you are inviting a chief guest, for example, if you are inviting a sports star from our surroundings, or from Indian cricket team, or from Tamil Nadu kabaddi team, if you want to invite a guest speaker for your sport day, you have to write their address, receiver's address. Then you have to remember the date, which date you are writing. Then the subject should be the, if you are inviting for the sport meet, just you have to write regarding sports meet from our school, like that you have to write in a one or two sentences. You have to write the subject. Then salutation. Salutations means if you want to address the guest as your means your close friend, means if the guest speaker is very close, or if you have lot of respect for him, you can include in the salutation. Then body of the letter. So you have to remember the body of the letter, uh, for what you are writing this letter, and the particular reason for that letter, that you have to write in the body of the letter. Then subscription. You have to remember in the subscription, in which day, the particular date your the guest speaker have to come to school, and what they have to do, and what is the main event in the sport meet, what they have to do, that you can include in the subscription. Then name. Name means the writer's name. If you are the leader, you are writing the letter, you have to write your name in the formal letter, the end of the letter. So here is the example of the formal letter. Remember, I told you the writer's address. So here the writer address you can see in the um, first box. the different color box, you can see that writer address. The second one, date. So December 20 2011 is the date of the date you are writing the letter. Then the address of the receiver. I told you, if chief guest is where he or she where from, so you have to mention here their address. Then you have to remember the subject. I told you subject should be one or two line. Here only one line. Request for two new computer systems. So here the example is they are asking for computer. So they are writing here. So if you want to invite, then you have to say that request for the invitation for our school function or sport day. Like that you can write in one sentence. Then respected madam or sir. Salutations means, I told you, you have to respect the person, respect the ma'am or sir, like that you have to say salutation. You are visiting them. Then the body of the letter, you have to say the body of the letter, the main thing, the body of the letter. First is two sentences you can write that you are what is the purpose you are writing this. So the body of the letter, this part should be here. The body of the letter, how it should be, so that they here it's mentioning, so you can listen. The body of the letter, this part should be divided into three paragraphs. The first paragraph must contain a short mention of the reason for writing the letter. So I told you already in the format. So you have to write one or two sentences of reason for writing this letter. Then the middle paragraph must contain all the details. For example, date of the program or place of the program, and particular time of the program, and particular avenue, the where the function is going to be. So that all you can mention in the middle paragraph. Then the last paragraph, while the last paragraph must express what one would want the other person to do in the event or receiving the letter. So I told you the particular program, what is happening, and what the guest speaker has to do, and mainly you can focus on the what would want the other person to do in the event. Yeah, so that you can write in the body of the letter. So last before sign of comments, so you can, here you can use yours truly, obediently, sincerely. So here yours, remember, in yours that there is no apostrophe, so only you just add yes into your. So yours truly, yours obediently, or yours sincerely you can mention. So at last, the sender's name. So you can write your name. If you are a leader, if you are inviting a guest, you can write your name. So this is also the same thing. How without the means here, this one is, I have written, means this is the each format I have mentioned here. This is the example letter. You can see the how the format looks like, how the letter looks like. So remember, all the lines are same. It's not starting here and there. It should be in the same line. That also you have to remember if you are writing in a paper in the exam, or if you are writing in the letter, really, if you want to invite somebody. So if you are writing, you have to write in a proper line. It should not be here and there. So remember. And also you have to remember all the sentences format. So you have to remember the capital letter, and the particular date should be starts with capital letter, and comma, full stop. These are all you have to remember in the formal letter as well as the informal letters. Here is the letter which is given in your book. So I will read and explain to you. Imagine that you are the school people leader. Write a formal letter inviting the chief guest for the school's annual day. Give details of the time and place of the event. So here I told you already, as we have seen the format as well as the example letter for your class. Here is also one of the school letter writing. So if you are a people leader, you have to write your write, you want to invite a chief guest for your school, so we have to write our school name. For example, Goodsam Metric Higher Secondary School, Chukangalpatti, Teni district, that you have to mention in the school name and address. Then you have to mention the date, so February 15 2018. So you can write which day you are writing the letter. Then name of the chief guest, you can write the name of the chief guest and their department where they are working and their address, if they are working in the organization or the particular team of some state government or something, you can mention there. Then you have to write their address where they are. And salutation, so if that person is a male or female, you can invite them as, you can salute them as respected sir or madam. Then you have, then there is a body, so you can remember the body. So listen, the first thing, I'm writing this letter on behalf of Goodsam Metri High Secondary School. Our school is going to conduct its annual day on 20th of February. In this correction, we cordially invite you to our 23rd annual day to be the chief guest and address the gathering. We are sure that students will benefit from your ideas and words. We will be privileged to have you in our school on this special day. So the first two line is talking about what means, we are from where we are inviting, and the particular date and the month and year we are telling. Then the particular event we are mentioning in the second part of the thing, part of the letter. Then the third thing, we are asking them what we want or what we expect from the speaker or the guest. So that we are mentioning in the third part of the letter. Now look at that. So we look forward to receiving your acceptance. So if that chief guest want to accept our letter, and if he says that he is available or he is not available, that he will send us a replying letter. So we are mentioning that also in this. So at last, your sincerely signature and the school people leader. If you are a school people leader, you have to write your name and you have to mention that you are a school people leader. So here is a task. So you can remember, this is your assignment for today. Imagine that you are the sports captain of your school. Write a formal letter to the sports captain of another school inviting his or her team for a friendly match. You may choose any sport. Give details of the time and place. So as I told you, this is the assignment. You have to remember the format as well as the letter given above. You can refer it and you can write this assignment. That here I want to give a freedom that you are a captain in your school and you want to invite your friend from another school. So you can invite your friend for any special match, friendly match. That means the team will come to Goodsam school and your team will compete to other team, just friendly match. There will be a serious match, so you are inviting them. So remember, any match, whatever the sport you like, you can mention there and you can ask them to come. How many persons as you like it, you can mention in the body of the letter. So give details of time and place, don't forget, give that. So I hope that you understood the formal letter. I hope and waiting to see your assignment of formal letter. So thank you children. Have a beautiful day.